Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out the E99 drone. You can get these about anywhere online. I got this one from Temu, or I bought it from Temu. It has dual cameras, it's brushed motors, and I'm connected to the app right now. It's Wi-Fi cam. Anyway, enough talking about it. Let's get it in the air and see what it can do. Do some 360 flips and things like that. I'm going to use the auto takeoff. Look at that. That was easy. Okay, let's see. Make some trim adjustments here because the wind's trying to carry me away. I do have it in speed 3 so to fight the wind. Oh, that controller's a little stiff. I have to work it in a little bit. It's starting to, it was so stiff it was sticking there at first. So. Be aware of that. Might have a couple sticks that are stiff, need broke in. It's fine now. Okay, let me find the 360 button. There it is. Whoops, I'm gonna have to put some side adjustment on here. Wow. I don't know if it has enough. The breeze is really picking up for this really lightweight drone. We might have enough. Look at that. We stopped it almost. There it is. Coming back this way now. Hey, I think I got it. Alright, 360 flip. Oh, cool. Bring it a little closer. Nice. Can't go forward. It'll go backward. Oh, it did forward. I just didn't do it right. My bad. I was kidding. One more bugs. Very cool. Try it again. Adjust my trim back the other way. I got a little too much. Or the breeze is changing direction. It does that a lot this time of year. Changing over to spring here in Indiana. It's a pretty cool little drone. Let's take her for a cruise. The breeze is picking up a little too much for me to get up too high with this one. I'm going to keep it low. Remember that they're lightweight, they don't have much wind resistance. I'm flying it in a too heavy of a breeze today. Gusty winds pick up, carry this thing away if I'm not careful. Something to consider. You can fly them. Especially once you get a little more experience. It's kind of fun to fight the winds in. But I wouldn't recommend it to an unexperienced pilot. Okay guys, I think we've got enough out of this one. Oh wait, let me go take a little bit of video and a snapshot if I can keep it steady enough here. Get my trim adjusted. Okay. Ooh. I'm not really looking at much there. I'll have to come down a little bit. Take a snapshot. I think I got it. Take a little bit of video. Gonna stop the video. Let's get a little bit of a closer look. Might be a little difficult since we got so much wind, but I'm going to try to get you a better look at it. Looks like our battery's low. See it flashing? Better go to the landing pad. Hold on, drone. Should we try the auto land? Alright, you talked me into it. We're going to get this trim adjusted here. It's going sideways. Now that I got out of the breeze there. Oh, it's going to auto land itself here if I ain't careful. Okay, here we go. Auto land. I gotta hit the pad, but that's okay. Nice. There you go, guys. That's the E99. E99 Pro. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.